Hello everyone, welcome to DevTamin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install DaisyUI in Laravel. I have made a fresh install Laravel over here. If you don't know how to install Laravel, you can watch my previous video. The next step that you have to do is to go to DaisyUI.com. Okay, and then click over here and then go to install. To install DaisyUI, you need to install Node on your computer and you have to install Tailwind CSS. So let's take a look at how to install Tailwind CSS in Laravel. Okay, go to Framework Guides and then go to Laravel. So this is how you install Tailwind CSS with Laravel. Copy this command, okay, and then you go to terminal and paste this over here. Hit enter. Alright, next you copy this command, paste this over here, hit enter. It will create two files, Tailwind configs and postcss.config.js. Next, you put content resources in tailwind.config.js. Copy this one and go to tailwind.config.js and paste this over here. Remove content here and just paste the new content from Tailwind over here. So the next step, you copy this CSS and go to app.css in resources here, paste this over here, and then type npm run dev. So before I execute npm run dev, I'm going to type npm install, npm run dev. And next, you just copy this code to html.blade.php. Okay, in this case, I'm going to resources, views, welcome.blade.php. I will remove some code that's come with Laravel. So remove this code and remove this code, put this over here. And I will copy this code and put this over here. Remove this class and just put bg red 500. And let me create new terminal and then run Laravel PHP artisan serve. Okay, let me open this site. You will see that we've successfully installed Tailwind in Laravel. The next step, we will install DaisyUI. Okay, just copy this command. Go to this one and let me exit this process. So let me install DaisyUI. And when you go to package.json, you will see DaisyUI over here as well. The next step, you need to go to tailwind.config.js and copy this code and paste it over there. Okay, you go to tailwind.config.js, paste the code over here, save. Okay, let's try some DaisyUI. So what is DaisyUI? DaisyUI is the component UI that's used Tailwind as a styles. It is pretty similar to Bootstrap. So when you go here, you click on button, you will see it's already designed button for you, so you don't have to use Tailwind to create a button. Okay, let's copy this one. Okay, and let's try in welcome.blade.php. Let's create new div and paste the button over here. Save. And let me type npm run dev over here again. Okay, when you go back to this one, you will see the button over here. So if you don't install this one, you have to use Tailwind to create or design button, and it is time consuming. There are many components that you can use over here. For example, alert over here. You just go here and copy. It is really similar to Bootstrap, but it's use Tailwind CSS. Okay, you go back here, you see, we see that's one. Let's see the next component. What else? Card. Okay, let me copy this one and paste this over here. Let me create no div. See, you will see. And you can still use Tailwind class as well, class mt5. And you will see that margin top 5 work over here. You can use like something like tooltip over here. See, copy the HTML and create new div over here. Paste it over here. So let's put class mt5. Okay, see, tooltip over here. This is really a cool UI and it's really simple. You can just copy the code and paste it on your projects and then it works. So if you go to theme, you can also change the theme of DaisyUI easily by putting data-theme in HTML tag. For example, over here, let's go to HTML and then you put data theme. So what theme you can put here is the all theme that we have. You can put dark. Okay, you can see dark theme over here. Just refresh the code. Why it doesn't work? Let me copy this one. And then let me put this over here. Cupcake, let's see that cupcake, if cupcake work. So it doesn't work for this one. So what we can do, from the document, we can go to tailwind.config and put the theme directly over there. Okay, let's go to here and then create like a new attribute, DaisyUI, and then put theme. We want to put dark. Let's save, put comma over here. Okay, let's take a look. See, dark theme work. When you put the theme over here, it doesn't work. Just make sure that you put theme over here. So if you want to change the theme to be more colorful, you can use cyberpunk over here. And you put cyberpunk over here. And let's see, it's become yellow. And you can use like fantasy, Valentine, luxury, anything. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.